Okay, Google. Talk to Tinkerdoodle.
Welcome to Tinkerdoodle. What can I do for you?
Weather station.
Temperature 16, humidity 61.
Welcome to Tinkerdoodle DIY. In this video, let's build a internet-connected weather station. We're going to use this small but powerful ESP32 chip that is Wi-Fi enabled and can run Python code. This is a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. We're also going to use a half-size breadboard to connect the ESP32 with the DHT11 sensor. Now, let's go to the Tinkerdoodle online environment. The weather station tutorial is on the featured tab. If you click the Run Notebook, it's going to open the tutorial page. Ignore this warning. So the tutorial is organized in a format called Jupyter Notebook that has both the instructions as well as the schematic diagram and the code all in one place, and you run the code right in the browser. We already went through the parts. For example, ESP32, you can buy one of these from Amazon for less than $10. Here is a schematic diagram. If you don't see diagram yet, just click the wrong button. So here it is. For the purpose of this tutorial, I already connected the jumper wires. So I just have to slap in the ESP32 on the breadboard and the DHT11 sensor. Connect to my computer USB port. If you just bought the ESP32, you will need to flash MicroPython firmware. This will only need to be done once. To do that, let's connect the ESP32 to Tinkerdoodle environment first. Click the connect button. When the button turns green, it means it's already connected to the ESP32. Let's select the flash cell and click Run. Press the two buttons on the side of the ESP32. Release the left side of the EN button. And release the right side of the button. It will take about a minute to flash the MicroPython firmware onto ESP32. Okay, great. The flashing succeeded. Let's move to the next cell, which is to put the Tinkerdoodle Python module onto the ESP32. Just run this cell. Done. Next step, write our main program to ESP32. You can go through this code if you have interest. Run it. Okay. Now that we put all the code onto ESP32, we can do a simple test with the Google Home as shown at the beginning of the video. Or we have another way to display the weather station data right in the notebook with some JavaScript code. Let's run this cell. You may have to reset the ESP32 first. Click the EN button to reset it. Now you can see the temperatures and the humidities are updating in real time. Okay, is that cool? Okay, thanks for watching.